Good morning, sir. My name is Bahadur Thapa. I am 23 years old. I am from Tanah, Nepal. I have passed my plus 2. I am unmarried. I have 4 members in my family. I am medically fit and fine. I have 2 years of work experience as a construction road worker in Nepal. My duty is greeting roads, pads, potholes, loading and unloading, etc. I want to come to Europe as construction road worker to earn money and support my families. I will stay there for the long time, maybe 5 to 6 years. I am hardworking and honest person. I will complete my agreement also. I will follow the company rules and policies. Thank you.